So you have your welder set up for flux core. However, you want to take it to the next level and use shielding gas. Well, that's what we want to do here. But before we do that, we're going to unbox this weld cart so it's a little easier to lug this tank around. First thing you want to do is lay everything out to make sure you have everything. But we're going to clear this table off, start working on them wheels. The tools they recommend using in the directions is a 10mm wrench and a pliers. Fun to do, right? Next, we're going to put on this vertical. It says to line up these two holes with the bottom here, and make sure these three holes are at the top. Next, we're going to work on this back support. You can tell it's the back support because it has these 4 spots to put the chain into. Next, we're going to put on this middle shelf, and it slides in here like that. Now we're done with this middle shelf. I'm going to work on the top one. I did keep these center bolts here that we just put in loose, so that way it's a little easier to fit this in here. I'm going to put this on the top one. Now that we have everything put together, I'm going to go ahead and tighten all these bolts down. Oh, there's 2 chains. Now that we have it assembled, let's load it up with our welding gear. There you have it. This weld stand looks great. It went together really easy. I think it looks awesome. It's definitely going to save me a lot of space in my garage. And I'm excited because next episode, we're going to hook up this gas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you don't miss out on next week's episode. The directions also want you to crack this a little bit just to get any dust out of here.